installing Nameless axleback muffler deletes. So to show just how easy this install is, I'm going to have my wife do it, who has no mechanic experience at all.
Okay, the only tools you need for this install are a 14mm wrench and socket. We're going to use an impact driver to make the job go faster, but if you don't have one, you can use a ratchet.
So the first thing that we're going to do is jack up the car, put jack stands under it, just to give us a little more room. You don't have to do it that way, but we're going to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is remove that bolt there and one on the back side there, and do the same thing on the other side over here.
Alright, lefty-handed.
Then there's two hangers, one in the front here and one in the back. Alright, so all you have to do is pull that rod part out of the rubber part by pulling the exhaust to the back of the vehicle and push the rubber thing forward, all at the same time. First one's out, just like that. That's what came out, and that's what's going back in. Just like that. All that giant metal, useless crap, that's what we want. Now time to put the new ones in. So we're gonna weigh them. I'm interested to see what the difference is between the stock and Nameless exhaust. $141. With the stock exhaust, 155, 156. Alright, now we're gonna see what the Nameless weighs. $149. So the stock ones weigh 15 pounds and the Nameless weigh 9 pounds. So we shave 6 pounds off. Alright, so they just go in opposite of how they came out. So put the first one through the hanger, slide it right through. That's going to be pretty close. Just put a bolt through. Right, and then just put the two bolts in. should line up nice. Once you get it started, do the first one halfway and then do the second one halfway and kind of go back and forth. You don't want to tighten up one all the way. It'll go on crooked. So just pull the trigger a few times. That's it. On to the next side. And just do the same thing over here. Take through the hangers. And that's it. Nameless axleback, muffler delete, install. Now just jack it up, take the jack stand out, and we're done. Old exhaust is out, new exhaust is in. Easy install. High five.